Jessica and I'm here, an esthetician at VIP Laser, and today I'm going to show you why it's important to get a Hydrafacial before the holidays. So the first reason why we need a Hydrafacial for these times is because we are now coming into fall and winter. When we come into this time, our skin changes. We need different products to moisturize our skin because our skin tends to dry out and get very flaky, and even some people tend to break out. So the Hydrafacial is going to help you with all the problems that you have during these times. So our second reason why we should do a Hydrafacial for the holidays is because we want our skin clear and beautiful and glowing for our holidays. The Hydrafacial will extract, cleanse, and hydrate completely your skin for the holidays. Another reason why I love the Hydrafacial for the holidays is because it makes your skin flawless for when you put on your makeup. Your skin's gonna look so luscious and glowy with all that beautiful makeup. So if you like what I said and you want to come get a Hydrafacial or try it out for the first time, come and see us at VIP Laser. Bye!